What's going on, everybody? Mike here. Welcome back to Tahoe and Turbos, day number 23. Today, we're going to be heading to the city, getting these spark plugs for the Tahoe. We're supposed to be getting like 15 to 25 centimeters of snow, so this is going to be quite interesting. Hopefully this fixes the problem. What do you think? Comment down below. But yeah, we're going to go and see what we can find before we get this massive snowstorm. I don't know if we're going to go in the shop or not with it. Kind of worried about the roof caving, but we'll see how things go. Alright folks, we are back, and it's getting pretty shitty out there. I'm not going to be doing the plugs today in this video. By the time I got back from the city and running around, it's pretty late, and I got some separate plans with the kids, but we got them. So let me flip the camera around here. These are the plugs we got. AC Delco RM or R44 LTSM, 8 of them, so we can change all 4. But I also managed to get one of these. Now, if anybody knows what this is, comment down below. Well, I'm pretty sure you guys will know what this is. So, right here, the block heater cord for the Tahoe. The one that's in it now is for the 5.3. I don't mean the 5.3, but the old 5.7, like the original motor that was in it. It's a little bit different than this one. So we'll pull that one out and we'll take a look to show you guys the difference. We'll put this in. What these do is they heat up your engine block and your oil pan. So cold winter, cold weather, your starts are a lot easier on the motor. And it keeps your blocks from freezing, which, you know, could be a good thing with the Tahoe being outside. Hopefully, we don't get this big, massive snow tonight like we're supposed to. It looks like it's coming. It's already really shitty on the highway. You can barely see. But hopefully we don't get the big, massive one that fucks up the roof. Then I can bring the Tahoe in tomorrow. And we can change the plugs in a little bit warmer environment. Because it's minus 23 right now outside with the wind chill. So before we get a ton of snow, I want to climb underneath there and get this done. The plugs I can do from the top. This I have to go underneath the truck. So I will probably see you guys down there. Alright, let's try this again. Every time I move the phone, it keeps slipping sideways. Like it keeps rotating and I don't want it to. But right there is where the block heater is. So let me reach up. Oh, sorry folks. And unplug it. This one, 2, 3. Hopefully it's the same as the one that I just pulled out. So, sorry. Hopefully the same one is in the bag. And we will now fish this through here, which is a pain, but it'll be done. And we will see you guys at the inside the garage. But that one might be different than the one I got, actually, to be honest. So, I'll have to get a good look at it there. Okay, hopefully maybe I had the right one after all. Doesn't seem like it though. Oh well. Well, that is an issue. This ain't the same as what's in there. So I'm not even going to take this out of the bag. I'm going to take this back next time I go to the city and put the other one back in. We'll check the wiring at the plug to see what it looks like. I do have electrical tape in here. So, but I'm going to go plug that back in under there. And, yeah, we'll have to figure out a plan, folks. Alright, I got it back in. It's getting cold, so let's go check the plug, see what it looks like. Alright folks, a little bit of change of plans. I took a minute to kind of take it out, so I can maybe kind of clean on it, fix on it a little bit. So this is the one that I need. The plug end also looks really corroded and rusty, see that? So it'll give me a good chance to clean everything up too, and redo everything inside there. Downstairs in the house where it's all nice and warm, and I have all my wiring stuff, my soldering guns and all that, so we can get this thing actually looking pretty proper, and hopefully, sorry, I can get some heat built up in the motor. Anyways, we'll see you guys downstairs and with this off to see what it looks like. Alright folks, we are back downstairs now getting this plug here checked out. I found the problem, and I found the problem real quick. Check this out. This isn't attached in here. Oops, sorry. Yeah, that's a problem, hey? You can't see what the hell I'm talking about. This isn't attached. So I'm going to remove them. And remember this, how this is oriented. That the numbers are on this side, green is in the middle, and this one's on that side. So, alright. Let me take this out of here. I got Ma heading to the hardware store for me to see if she can track one of these down, because I can't get it apart. It's all broke inside. So, fun, folks. But at least I know the problem, so maybe we'll have heat and, you know, let there be heat. Block heater 101. Well, got her apart. You can see she's seen better days. So, black, white. So, yeah, the green at the bottom. So I'm guessing with this, I'm not really an electrical engineer, but I know enough to get by. That's white, that's green, and that's black. So as long as it doesn't break off and rust away, like that one did, you should be good to go. So hopefully now the new one shows up here right away, and we can get this done, because I'm stoked to see if this thing actually works. So I know it will, but I can't wait. Okay, folks, got a new plug. So, and I will apologize, today's video will probably be late. Today's what, day 23? Yeah, it's probably going to be late because by the time I get this up, we're going to probably be having internet issues. I tend to have network issues at night for some reason. So, oops, sorry. But yeah, we'll hook it up the same way it came out. Just like this. White, green, black. Oops, sorry. White, green, black. And Bob's your uncle. Anyways, let me get this apart, wire it up, and I'll show you what it looks like. And just like that, wired up exactly the same way that it came off of there. It was on there like that. That way my polarities and everything should remain the exact same. So, alright, now I'm going to put the plug back all together. And hopefully I can get outside before it gets dark. So, it's getting really cold. So hopefully we can get this in and get it to testing on it. And we should hear it right away. As soon as it kicks on, we should almost hear like a buzzing almost. So I'll let you guys know if it's working. But, oh, I'm excited. This is cool. Is that all that was wrong with it? 'Cause I was thinking too, I've been having issues with the Tahoe for a while, like a year or two prior. And I was wondering, well, what the heck's going on with the hard starting? And now I'm thinking, how long has this block heater been cord? Oh, sorry. I'm trying to get this screw in. I'm trying to figure out how long this has been like this, right? Either way, it's been in there too long, ruined. So, got a better one in my opinion, because it's rubber. But anyways, let's put it back together and test it out. Alright folks, there it is. I taped up here just to kind of get, because of the screw heads, just kind of keep them from scratching on stuff and nicking on stuff and just jazz like that. And then went around just to kind of keep, you know, as much debris, I guess, out of here as I can. So it is rubber, which is good. But alright, now I gotta go suit up in my winter gear and go snake this all back through. And then we can test it and see if you know, the good Lord is going to bless us with a heater core. Or not a heater core, or not a heater core, but a frost plug. So, block heater, that's it. Block heater. So, gotta love the fun block heater repairs that are unexpected, but that's day 23. Okay, back out under the hood. Got my zip ties. I got my cable cutter. I got the cord here. Let's start snaking her back through. Run her back down along through that that engine mount up underneath it there. So hopefully I can be able to snake it through when I'm under the truck. I might have to crawl underneath the front here to help it. I got the block heater cord unhooked for now. This is a special cable or cord that I bought. It's just for like block heater cords. So it should be awesome. Should help out a lot. And then I got heat actually going on in the shop right now. And the lights, because I want to see how warm it gets in a few minutes, because if we don't get this big massive snow tonight, like they're saying we're gonna, I hope, fingers crossed, it doesn't do no damage. But when we get this big massive storm tonight, why is it sticky? Ew. Is it leaking? Hope not. I don't want, I want to be able to, if the roof doesn't cave in, I want to be able to pull this thing in tomorrow, I should say. And do the spark plugs inside, because, yeah, I can do them out here. It's not a big deal. This back one's a bitch. Yeah, I can do them. It's just, I'd rather do it in where it's warm. So, because I'm kind of a bitch when it comes to being cold. Anyway, so let me get this block heater in, and we'll see how it goes. Probably see it under the truck just to show you guys that it's plugged in. Oh, there she is, plugged in. I'm going to climb up top now and start running it clean and zip tying it up. Then we can test on it. It's fucking cold down here. Alright, back up top. As you guys can see, up on it over there. It clears the steering really well. Like, I can put my whole hand under there without it coming anywhere close to that line. So, really good there. It runs over, plugs in right here, and Bob's your uncle. So, before we plug it in and take a look, let's climb underneath quick. Take a look at that oil pan. I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of all frosted up. Stuff like that. So, let's turn on the block heater. And then we'll come out, hopefully in a little bit, and we'll see if it does any work or any difference. So, I'll bring out the flashlight. I don't know if you guys can actually see what I see. So, we'll be right back. Just popped in the shop here quick to warm up my hands. I will say, it's like minus 30 outside right now with that wind. It's starting to get really cold. Inside the shop here, minus 5. So, this little heater here seems to be doing a pretty okay job. I can just imagine if the Tahoe's sitting right here and the hood up, the wind, you know, the heat will be able to stop and block. So, yeah, you can hear it out there. Oof. Anyways, I'm going to shut this off so I can get the power in over to the truck for the block heater. Hopefully it works. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Alright, folks, moment of truth. I'm either going to get zapped or this is going to work. So, let me plug this in. I can't do this with one hand. I need both hands for this, so I'll be right back. Virgin plug. Alright, folks. She's plugged in. Let's see if you can hear it. You guys hear that sound? I can hear it. Let's see if I can crawl underneath and get you guys a better sound of it here. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I can hear it. So, it works. Block heater is officially working again on the Tahoe, which is good because now I can take the money that I spent on it with the block heater. The cord, guys, was like 40 bucks. My plugs were 32. So I'm gonna get rid of I'll take that back. I'll maybe get another set of plugs. So give me a sec here, guys. Let's put my gloves on. There we go. Right. I can't flip it around. That was a waste of time. I can hear it. I can hear the block heater. That's awesome. That means that works. Oh, to make sure my battery here doesn't freeze. That's another thing I was worried about today. I was thinking about buying a battery blanket. If you guys run those, comment down below. It's been a few years since the Tahoe has been out of the shop. So I can close this now. We're good. I just let it do its thing. We'll see you guys in the little shop there, and we'll end the video. Alright folks, well, that's where I'm going to end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, I'm so glad that worked. It's just, it was a struggle. I wasn't sure if it was going to work, and then I was worried about how the video would turn out, and I was like, well, should I try changing at least half the plugs today? Because, like, it is cold. And I'm like, or do I wait till the snow falls, do what I have to do now before the snow comes, and then change the plugs tomorrow? I'll bring the truck in and do that, as long as the roof doesn't cave in. So that's the plan, I guess. Yeah, I was just stressing out, but it worked. It worked out in the end. We got the block heater fixed. The Tahoe, you can hear it buzzing, you can hear it humming. It's happy. It'll help a lot with the starts, like a lot. It'll probably, maybe it won't die now, but I won't know until we go to start it tomorrow. And I would start it right now for you guys, but with the way that the EGTs are with the plug, or sorry, AFRs, and the way that the plugs are, I want to just fire it up and bring it in. I don't want to fire it up and dick with it. You know what I mean? And then fire it up again, blah, blah, blah. Next time I fire it up will be to bring it in to get the plugs changed. And that's the bottom line. So, but anyways, guys, I'm going to call her a day. As always, you know, it is Mental Health in November here. If you know somebody that's going through a bad time, it takes 2 seconds just to reach out. You know, I appreciate all the friends and stuff that do that to me on the daily. It means a lot to me. I can't wait to be able to drive the truck so I can come hang out with you guys again and come visit. I miss hanging out with a bunch of my buddies. I really do. And it's cool that a lot of them stuck around with me through all the BS the last few years of life, of just every time a guy would get up, he'd get kicked in the nards and drop down. So I've learned to protect my nards. Anyways, guys, it's never as bad as you think it is. Remember that. Like I always say, a bad day is not a bad life. A bad moment, a bad second is not a bad day. You know, there's 365 days a year. Don't let one, like, 60th or 1/300th of it just fuck with that. It'll fuck with you, okay? Don't let, there's no point, right? There's always a better tomorrow. And with that, I will see you tomorrow for day 24. And we're almost done with this 30 days of uploading, making a video every day, I should say. So, because, yeah, my internet, sometimes it doesn't upload until, like, early the next morning. So you guys get like 2 videos a day sometimes. I can't help that. I apologize. I'm done making community posts about it. Here's my last little rant about it. The network out here is shit. We'll do the best we can while we can, guys. Anyways, till tomorrow. Take care. Love you guys. And God bless.